How to exit US resident alien status when moving abroad. Imagine packing up your life in the United States and starting fresh somewhere else. But before you do, you need to know how to officially end your resident alien status. This process can seem complicated, but breaking it down makes it manageable. First, understanding what makes you a resident alien is key. If you have a green card, you are automatically considered a lawful permanent resident. If you meet the substantial presence test, which looks at the number of days you've spent in the U.S. over 3 years, you are also classified as a resident alien for tax purposes. To exit this status, you need to formally surrender your green card. This involves mailing your green card to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services or turning it in at a U.S. embassy or consulate abroad. You can also surrender it when leaving the country if you are returning to your home country permanently. If you plan to stay outside the United States for more than a year, applying for a reentry permit is a smart move. This permit lets you re-enter the U.S. without losing your resident status. It is valid for up to 2 years, but you must apply for it before leaving the country. Without it, staying abroad for more than a year might be seen as abandoning your green card. Tax considerations are also important. If you are a green card holder and decide to give it up, you might be considered a covered expatriate. This means you could owe an exit tax on your worldwide assets if your net worth is over $2 million, or if your average annual U.S. income tax liability over the past 5 years exceeds $201,000. You also need to certify that you have filed all your past tax returns and paid any owed taxes. Before surrendering your green card, it is wise to consult a tax professional. They can help you prepare the necessary forms, like the IRS Form 8854, Initial and Annual Expatriation Statement. Filing this form is essential to document your expatriation and avoid future tax surprises. Make sure all your tax filings are up to date. You should have filed your last tax returns as a resident alien, including any necessary reports on foreign bank accounts or assets. This helps ensure a smooth transition and avoids penalties. If you plan to return to the United States within 2 years, applying for a reentry permit is a good idea. It keeps your resident status intact while you are abroad. You can apply for this permit at a U.S. embassy or consulate before leaving. From an Asian American tax help perspective, understanding your specific situation is vital. If you have family or business ties in the United States, you might want to consider the benefits of maintaining your resident status. But if you are moving permanently, surrendering your green card and handling your tax obligations beforehand can save you time and money later. Always seek advice from a qualified tax professional to make sure you follow all the rules and avoid unnecessary complications.